The mind is like a factory, Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn often used the metaphor, the mind is like a factory, to illustrate how our thoughts shape our lives. Here's a summary of the concept. Jim Rohn's principle, input determines output, is a powerful idea that emphasizes the influence of what we consume on our thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, our lives. Here's a deeper look into this concept. Explanation. Quality of information. Books and media. Reading inspiring books, watching educational content, and listening to motivational speakers can feed your mind with positivity and knowledge. Conversely, consuming negative news, gossip, or violent media can lead to a pessimistic outlook and stress. People. Surrounding yourself with supportive, ambitious, and positive individuals can uplift you and encourage growth. In contrast, spending time with negative or toxic people can drain your energy and hinder your progress. Environment. Physical environment. Your surroundings, including your home and workplace, can affect your mental state. A clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing environment can boost your mood and productivity, whereas a cluttered or chaotic environment can lead to stress and distraction. Social environment. Engaging in communities and networks that share your values and goals can provide a sense of belonging and motivation. On the other hand, environments that conflict with your values can create internal tension and confusion. Self-talk. Positive self-talk, encouraging and affirming self-talk, can build confidence and resilience. Repeating positive affirmations and focusing on your strengths can help you overcome challenges. Negative self-talk. Criticizing and doubting yourself can erode self-esteem and create a self-fulfilling prophecy of failure and dissatisfaction. Practical applications. Curate your media diet. Choose books, podcasts, and videos that inspire and educate you. Limit exposure to negative news and unproductive entertainment. Build a positive network. Seek out mentors, peers, and friends who support your growth. Distance yourself from those who bring negativity or discourage your ambitions. Create an empowering environment. Organize your space to minimize distractions and enhance productivity. Surround yourself with visual reminders of your goals and achievements. Practice positive self-talk. Be mindful of your inner dialogue. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and constructive feedback. By consciously choosing what we allow into our minds, we can create a mental environment that fosters success, happiness, and personal growth. Jim Rohn's idea that input determines output reminds us of the power we have to shape our destiny through the quality of our thoughts and experiences. Jim Rohn's concept of control over inputs emphasizes our ability and responsibility to choose what influences our minds. By controlling these inputs, we can shape our thoughts, attitudes, and ultimately, our lives. Here's a deeper exploration of this idea. Explanation. Intentional choices. Selective media consumption. Be deliberate about the books you read, the shows you watch, and the websites you visit. Choose content that aligns with your values and goals. Mindful social interactions. Engage with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit time with those who bring negativity or distraction. Mental diet. Positive information. Feed your mind with motivational, educational, and uplifting content. This could be in the form of self-help books, TED Talks, or seminars by thought leaders. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning by seeking new knowledge and skills. This keeps your mind sharp and open to new possibilities. Emotional environment. Supportive relationships. Surround yourself with friends, family, and colleagues who encourage and support you. Positive relationships can boost your confidence and resilience. Healthy boundaries. Set and maintain boundaries to protect your mental and emotional well-being. This includes saying no to activities or people that drain your energy. Internal filters. Self-awareness. Develop a keen awareness of your thoughts and feelings. Recognize when negative influences are affecting you and take steps to counteract them. Positive reframing. Practice reframing negative thoughts into positive or constructive ones. This helps maintain a positive outlook even in challenging situations. Practical applications. Media consumption. Curate your feed. Follow social media accounts and subscribe to channels that offer positive, informative, and inspiring content. Unfollow or mute accounts that spread negativity or misinformation. Set limits. Allocate specific times for consuming news and entertainment. Avoid overexposure to distressing news that can lead to anxiety and pessimism. Relationship management. Seek positivity. Spend more time with people who inspire you and less with those who drain you. Join groups or communities that share your interests and values. Communicate boundaries. Clearly communicate your boundaries with others. This can include limiting conversations about negative topics or declining invitations that don't align with your goals. Personal development. Daily learning. Dedicate time each day to learning something new, whether through reading, online courses, or listening to podcasts. Mindfulness practices. Engage in practices such as meditation, journaling, or yoga to maintain mental clarity and focus. Positive self-talk. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your goals and build self-confidence. Write them down and repeat them daily. Challenge negativity. When you notice negative thoughts, challenge their validity and replace them with more constructive ones. By exercising control over the inputs that shape your mind, you can create a mental environment conducive to personal growth, happiness, and success. Jim Rohn's principle of control over inputs reminds us that we have the power to influence our thoughts and, consequently, our lives. Jim Rohn's concept of mental programming highlights the idea that our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes are shaped by repeated patterns and experiences. Just like a computer can be programmed to perform certain tasks, our minds can be programmed to think and behave in specific ways. By understanding and actively shaping this programming, we can improve our mental and emotional well-being. Here's a deeper dive into this concept. Explanation. Belief systems. Core beliefs. These are fundamental beliefs that we hold about ourselves, others, and the world. They can be empowering, e.g., I am capable and deserving of success, or limiting, e.g., I am not good enough. Source of beliefs. Our beliefs are often shaped by early experiences, cultural influences, and significant relationships. Understanding where our beliefs come from can help us challenge and change them if needed. Habitual thinking. Automatic thoughts. These are thoughts that come to mind automatically in response to specific triggers. They can be positive or negative, and they significantly influence our emotional state and behavior. Repetition. Repeated thoughts and behaviors strengthen neural pathways in the brain, making them more automatic. This is how habits are formed. Self-talk. Positive self-talk. Encouraging and affirming self-talk can boost confidence, motivation, and resilience. It helps to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. Negative self-talk. Critical and pessimistic self-talk can undermine self-esteem and create a cycle of negativity and self-doubt. Visualization and affirmations. Visualization. Mentally rehearsing positive outcomes can help to create a sense of familiarity and confidence. Visualization techniques are often used by athletes and performers to enhance performance. Affirmations. Repeating positive statements about oneself can help to reprogram the subconscious mind and replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Practical applications. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs. Self-reflection. Take time to identify your core beliefs, especially those that may be holding you back. Reflect on their origins and validity. Cognitive restructuring. Challenge limiting beliefs by examining the evidence for and against them. Replace them with more balanced and empowering beliefs. Develop positive habits. Consistent practice. Engage in activities that reinforce positive thinking and behavior. This can include gratitude journaling, meditation, and goal setting. Small steps. Start with small, manageable changes to build momentum. Consistent small steps can lead to significant changes over time. Enhance positive self-talk. Affirmations. Write down positive affirmations and repeat them daily. Make sure they are specific, positive, and in the present tense, e.g., I am confident and capable. Reframe negative thoughts. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, pause and reframe the thought into a more positive or constructive one. Use visualization techniques. Mental rehearsal. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals and the steps you will take to achieve them. Imagine the process and the successful outcome in vivid detail. Positive imagery. Use positive imagery to boost your mood and motivation. Visualize yourself overcoming challenges and achieving your desired outcomes. By actively engaging in mental programming, you can shape your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors in a way that supports your goals and well-being. Jim Rohn's principle of mental programming emphasizes the importance of intentionality and practice in creating a positive and productive mindset. Jim Rohn's emphasis on attention to detail underscores the importance of focusing on the small, often overlooked aspects of our lives and work that contribute significantly to overall success and quality. By paying close attention to details, we can ensure higher standards, avoid mistakes, and create a more refined and effective approach to our goals. Here's an in-depth look at this concept. Explanation: quality and excellence. Precision. Attending to details ensures precision in tasks, which can lead to higher quality outcomes. Whether it's in your work, personal projects, or daily routines, precision helps maintain high standards. Excellence. Striving for excellence means not just meeting expectations but exceeding them. This often involves going the extra mile to perfect the details. Problem prevention. Error reduction. Small errors can accumulate and lead to significant problems. By focusing on details, you can catch and correct mistakes early, preventing larger issues. Risk management. Detailed attention helps identify potential risks and address them proactively, reducing the likelihood of unexpected setbacks. Continuous improvement. Feedback and adjustment. Regularly reviewing and refining details can lead to continuous improvement. This iterative process helps you to adapt and enhance your methods and outcomes. Learning and growth. Attention to detail allows for a deeper understanding of processes and outcomes, fostering learning and personal growth. Consistency and reliability. Dependability. Consistently focusing on details ensures reliability in your work and personal commitments. This builds trust with others and establishes a reputation for dependability. Standardization. Establishing detailed standards and procedures ensures consistent quality and performance over time. Practical applications. Work and projects. Thorough planning. Before starting a project, create detailed plans and checklists. This helps ensure that all aspects are considered and addressed. Quality control. Implement regular quality control checks to catch and correct errors. This can involve peer reviews, testing, or auditing processes. Personal development. Goal setting. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, detailed steps. Skill improvement. Focus on the nuances of your skills and seek to improve them. For instance, if you're learning a musical instrument, pay attention to finger positioning, timing, and expression. Daily routines. Organization. Keep your environment organized. Pay attention to how you arrange your workspace, your home, and even your schedule. Small adjustments can lead to increased efficiency and reduce stress. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to stay present and attentive in your activities. This can enhance your awareness of details and improve your overall experience. Interpersonal relationships. Active listening. Pay close attention to what others are saying, including their tone, body language, and underlying emotions. This helps build stronger connections and better understanding. Thoughtful gestures. Small, thoughtful gestures can have a significant impact on your relationships. Remembering birthdays, noticing when someone needs help, or giving genuine compliments are examples of paying attention to details in relationships. By prioritizing attention to detail, you can improve the quality of your work, prevent problems, and enhance your personal and professional growth. Jim Rohn's principle of attention to detail reminds us that success often lies in the small, consistent efforts we make every day. Jim Rohn's concept of maintenance and upgrades emphasizes the importance of regularly maintaining and improving both our mental and physical resources to achieve lasting success and well-being. Just as machinery in a factory requires regular upkeep and upgrades to operate efficiently, so too do our minds and bodies. Here's a deeper exploration of this idea. Explanation. Continuous learning. Skill development. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge is essential. This can involve formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-study. Staying updated. Keeping up with industry trends, technological advancements, and new methodologies ensures you remain relevant and competitive. Physical health. Regular exercise. Maintaining a consistent exercise routine helps keep your body in optimal condition. Physical health directly impacts mental clarity, energy levels, and overall well-being. Healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for your body and brain to function effectively. Mental health. Mindfulness and meditation. Practices like mindfulness and meditation help maintain mental clarity, reduce stress, and improve focus. Emotional well-being. Regularly checking in with your emotions and seeking support when needed helps maintain mental health. This can include therapy, journaling, or talking to a trusted friend. Personal development. Goal review and adjustment. Regularly reviewing your goals and progress allows you to make necessary adjustments. This ensures you stay on track and adapt to any changes in your circumstances or aspirations. Reflective practices. Engaging in reflective practices, such as journaling or self-assessment, helps you understand your growth areas and celebrate your achievements. Practical applications. Continuous learning and skill development. Set learning goals. Identify areas where you want to improve and set specific, achievable learning goals. Create a plan to acquire new skills or deepen existing ones. Invest in education. Take advantage of educational resources such as books, online courses, workshops, and seminars. Stay curious and open to new information. Maintaining physical health. Exercise routine. Develop a regular exercise routine that you enjoy and can stick to. This could include activities like walking, running, yoga, or strength training. Healthy eating. Plan and prepare balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods and focus on whole foods. Maintaining mental health. Mindfulness practices. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to meditate, breathe deeply, or practice gratitude. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling with mental health issues. Therapy, counseling, or support groups can provide valuable assistance. Personal development and goal adjustment. Regular reviews. Set aside time regularly to review your goals and progress. Assess what's working and what's not, and make necessary adjustments. Reflective journaling. Keep a journal to reflect on your experiences, thoughts, and feelings. This can help you gain insights into your personal growth and identify areas for improvement. Upgrading your environment. Workspace optimization. Regularly assess and upgrade your workspace to ensure it supports productivity and creativity. This could involve decluttering, adding ergonomic furniture, or improving lighting. Home environment. Create a home environment that promotes relaxation and well-being. Consider factors like cleanliness, organization, and decor that makes you feel comfortable and inspired. By regularly maintaining and upgrading your mental and physical resources, you can ensure sustained personal and professional growth. Jim Rohn's principle of maintenance and upgrades reminds us that ongoing effort and attention to self-improvement are crucial for achieving long-term success and well-being. Jim Rohn emphasized the importance of personal responsibility and intentionality in shaping our mental landscape, which in turn shapes our reality.